Schäbe. Warten wir doch mal also. Oh, was stumme? Nein. Einladen. Geht leider nicht, weil ich keine Freunde habe. Optionen, mal schauen. Haben wir da irgendetwas? Freies Bewegen. Nein. Okay. Okay. Sanftes Drehen. No. Okay. Zufällige. Schäbe. Ist ja auch. Okay. Ja, dann würde ich wieder mal sagen, herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Part von Killing Floor Inkursion. Okay? Inkursion. Okay. Moment. Da ist meine Hand, da ist meine Hand, da ist Hand. Okay. Wir gehen wieder Story. Coop. Okay. Normal. Spiel finden. Mal schauen. Vielleicht finden wir ja irgendjemanden, der mit uns das Spiel spielen will. Such. Stattdessen ein Hardcore-Spiel bei... Nein. Spiel finden. Ich will nicht Hardcore. Hardcore ist so... Ach, das soll ich Hardcore. Ja, wenn die Leute unbedingt Hardcore spielen wollen, dann spielen wir halt Hardcore. Ja, dann halt. Let's Simulation, Let's Simulation, Let's Simulation. Hi. Hallo? Spielen mit mir. Ich habe... Meine VR-Brille läuft an. Ist ein bisschen sehr heiß. Let's Simulation. Let's Simulation. Let's Simulation. Hello? Yeah?
Some code in that house has gotten corrupted. We need to clean it out.
I don't know.
Crash sooner rather than later. Hang on a sec.
I'm at the house.
Incoming.
Hey! Okay. Wrong model. Kill him. Behind you. Hi. Whoa. Winky winky. way. Fuck off.
Right. Smart work, Lieutenant. See about hacking the lock on that door.
No, not really. Just bought it.
Great work. Your training really paid off. We need to find the corrupted code fragments in this house. They're doing serious damage to simulation stability. The scanner on your flashlight should do the trick. Search around the house and look for anything out of the ordinary. I'll open a deletion portal. Just place the corrupted code into the portal to destroy it.
Laggy. Second floor.
Take that code set back to the deletion portal on the ground floor. Once
Fuck
you
off.
do, keep looking inside the house for the rest of the corrupted code.
Found one. Well, I played this first mission, and one is on the balcony, I think. Yeah. There. Got it. There's one. Whoa. Kablamo. Where's the last one? Wait, I got my little friend helping us. Must be here somewhere. You got her? Alright. I'm stuck. Why am I stuck? Yeah. Ammo! I love ammo.
That was odd. The virus code uses sugar random shapes, not... What was that? Gas mask? Did both of you see it? Was that for... This is getting weirder and weirder. This is not going to go over well with the boss. You're not done yet. There are more Zeds on the way.
I need help. I need somebody help. Give me help. I got help. Full ammo. Bam. I want a shotgun. Give it to him. I got his arm. Oh. Oh, fella. Get away.
If we don't contain the Z DNA data, the virus could leak it to the outside world. And then heaven only knows who would put it to use. Follow Node. He'll take you to the right place. Good luck, Lieutenant. I know you didn't sign up for this, but I appreciate your efforts. Okay, feeling time's over. Get moving, Lieutenant.
Huh? No. Coming.
The Z-DNA data is in this field somewhere, Lieutenant. You may need to shoot a few Zs to unlock it.
Go away. Fuck off. Bad motherfucker, come in your eye, yeah. Grenade! Grenade! Oh, I fucked that one up. Grenade! My pistol. Me searching for ammo. Ammo everywhere. Nice. Fuck you. Stone is good. Nah, fuck this. Give it to him, baby. He mad! Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Whoa! Fuck you! Reload. Hey, killed him. Killed them.
The scrapes are only used in veteran simulations and YouTube.
Yay.
Good work, the both of you. Glad I ended up with people who know what they're doing in all this. Grab the data and enter the extraction portal when it appears.
I want that knife. Hey! And it's gone. And it's gone. Oh. And how do I switch it? That I hold the front? Yeah. Ah. Ah. Ah, okay. Oh. Oh.
Prepare for
Yeah.
extraction in 3, 2,
Huh?
1.
Haven't played it that much. That's the problem. But I played like Beat Saber. And he's gone.
The Horzine Corporation.
Loading.
Leading the way to a future free of disease,
Wow.
age and death.
Wow. Ja, sorry liebe Zuschauer. Ich bin da voll Englisch am Reden. Wegen dem anderen Typ da. Macht voll Spaß, das zweite, anstatt immer nur allein.
Putting the building blocks of life in the hands of humanity.
Hör auf reden, bringt nichts.
We are science. We are
Loading,
strength.
loading, 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 loading. We are strength. Hello? Hello? Hey! Put it. Put it. Alright. Do 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 do. Aw. Quaw. Do 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 do.
I'm still stuck with... Oh. And you're both here. Great. That isn't weird at all. I only extracted... Well, I guess I shouldn't be surprised with how today is going. I'll figure it out later.
Give me a dex.
It looks like you both bounced off what's left of the safety protocols. Something about stopping extreme mental damage. Just as well, we need your help recovering more ZDNA in this training zone before it collapses. This virus is mucking up everything. It's about to fire the surgery robot operating on you if we don't clear out the infected code. That shotgun should help you with the larger Zeds. You'll need to grab the pump handle under the barrel with your offhand and pump it to chamber a new round. Try squeezing off a few rounds to get the feel of it. You can start the shotgun on your back.
Nice. What?
Normally, I use these simulations to train Horzine security officers in the art of Zed game. Zeds really exist. It's awful. Most of us have lost someone to them. And I just want to do my part. If the ZDNA in these sims, the data we're collecting, gets out into the world, it will get worse. Much worse. The last thing we need is some terrorist group getting their hands on ZTech. So we need to get the ZDNA, save you two from having your brains scrambled, and get you both out safe. Easy. No worries, right?
Ready.
Sister hates the song.
Hey, I found a head. Let's kiss. Let's kiss. Oh. 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 I feel better now. I'm stuck. Boo doo boo 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 boo. Where the fuck are you? Where you going? Double combo. Aw. He did. Come on. Piece of shit. Ooh, that ass. Let's go forward. I do. This is my... Hey, an axe for you. Do you want it? Right here. Nah, I'm okay. Oh, you want the shotgun? You can attack me. Look at this guy. Hi. Oh, I missed. Get away from me! Fuck up! Blammo.
Fantastic. The room up ahead is full of infected code fragments. They've jammed up the exit door, so you'll need to clear them out by shooting them. If only we could solve problems in the real world so easily using violence. Though I guess enough high explosives will solve any problem. Or at least that's what my grandfather used to say.
Nice. I am ready. Dun, 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 dun. What are we looking for? There is one. See him. Right there. Come at me! Hey! Oh, double headshot. Bam! Headshot. We are done. Okay, let's go. What does this do? Nothing. Hi. Coming. Behind you. Ha! Give me. Ah! Die! Oh, me dead. Whoops.
Again. Okay, I think he's coming back. Can you hear me, Lieutenant?
Fuck's sake. I'm downing. And I'm back. Yeah, I'm back.
Sorry to keep pushing you two like this. You've helped me out a lot. I doubt anyone else would have survived that scrape back in the last sim, and management is really freaking out about this virus. Whoever ran your halls
Yeah, there were too many.
did an impressive job. And you're both sort of stuck until the safety protocols get unscrambled. So at least I'm keeping you entertained.
There's one.
while you wait.
Hi. Whoa. Calm down. Jesus. Where was... Huh. You are changing. Changing. I found the head. Yeah, you just took it. I don't know. Where is it? I cannot see it. Where? Where the fuck did you come from? Oh, triple kill! Damn. I want to go in this direction. Okay. Whoa. Like it, wacky. There's one. I'm one. Up there is one. And maybe another one? Ah. I see. And over there. Right. And where did that? And ah. Where the fuck did you come from?
This place is crashing any minute. You have to hurry. The objects you're looking for should glow when you shine your scanning mode flashlight on it. Maybe on the far side of the bridge?
Where is the second? You got both? Ah, here. Oh, there. Oh, it's alright. Double ammo.
Beware! You are in great danger. Behold my giant head. Does it make you envious?
Whoops. Sorry, you two. Got carried away. I don't know when I'm going to be a giant head again, so I feel I should make the most of this. They're lying to you. Play along until the virus does its work. That other one that came in with you, you're in this together. My head looks bloody enormous. Don't trust me. Stay safe. Do not die.
I will die, I promise you. Dying is my specialty. Gotta go this way. What just happened? Don't just walk past me! Stupid piece of shit! Are we done? Yes, we are.
Are you okay? Hallucinations and blackouts.
Big set below.
I'm honestly shocked you're as functional as you are. Most people would be vegetables. Maybe there was a network issue, since you were both affected. You seem okay now. I'm sure you'll be fine. And there's only concussion and some nerve damage. A severe concussion, sure, but you're tough. Best neurosurgeons in the world ready to help you both. Once we get this virus under
Is this? Hello! This doesn't look like a boss. I just saying. It doesn't look like.
Okay, Lieutenant. That should do it for the infected code.
Not like a big spider coming out of these holes. Nah, no.
Surgery robots. Next on the to-do list, the Z data you need to get is at the bottom of this chasm.
I like it
You
here.
should be able to pick
Almost
up data
feels like
there.
home.
I'm not seeing any Zs. Should be easy peasy.
Why danger? Stop it. Go. Liar. Oh, hi. he did. Look at that sexy ass though. He's a ballerina! Whoa! I need a medikit. We get him? Yay!
Oops, sorry about that no Zeds thing.
Got him.
Stupid virus.
Got him.
The two of you did a great job getting that.
Whoa.
As those things
Whoa.
usually flatten entire squads. But we need to move fast, Lieutenant. The simulation is collapsing, and we're needed in Paris. Fake Paris, not real Paris. Grab the flashlight and use the extraction portal when it appears.
Ah, no. Touch it. Take me, Satan!
Prepare for extraction.
Wait, wrong game.
In 3, 2, 1.
Damn it! Didn't work.
The Horzine Corporation, leading the way to a future free of disease, age and death.
Das ist voll komisch, wenn die Leute einen beobachtet.
We are
Oh,
the Horzine
die.
Corporation. Come build the future with us.
Ah, ihr labert alle so Scheiße. Wenn die Leute eventuell in den Kommentaren schreiben, es tut mir leid, dass ich das so nicht anschauen kann. Ja, ich sehe die VR-Brille. Und die ganze VR-Brille abziehen ist scheiße. Halt die Fresse!
We are a better world.
Du bist ein Fotze.
Are Horzine.
Du bist ein Fotze. Ganz einfach. Can't see shit. Put it away. Put it away and... I just got a trophy! For stroking this axe! Oh, that's stupid.
Welcome to Paris. And we're in the sewers. Thanks, Colin. And you're both... I brought your friend along. They seem like they know their stuff, so keep working together. Sorry for not getting the two of you back to the real world. We still haven't been able to get the safety protocols back online, so pulling you now would mean lobotomizing. Still, glad you're with me on this.
Look what I found!
Was being used to back up our life support and other vital systems since it was not infected in the first wave of the virus. But of course, things have gone probably right since. Keep moving.
Oh. Why is it... What the fuck? I just reset it. Oi, wait for me.
Looks like the hydraulics are jammed on that flood door. See if you can find a control valve. I'm not seeing any infected code, so it's just good old-fashioned problem solving for now. No shooting your way out.
Doop 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 doop. Get the fuck out of my way. There ain't no monsters. You spin me right round, baby, right round. Maybe. Come on. Doop 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 doop. Hey, my nigga! Fuck off! Ain't got no ammo, ain't got no ammo, ain't got no ammo. Fuck! I lied. I got ammo.
Sorry, mate. Hold on a minute.
There.
Which spot hammer? Oh. Yeah, laundry, cooking. Sorry.
We've got a mate helping us from the inside.
You too.
So keep your eyes out for clues.
Bye.
Stay alive and fly casual.